In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to set up analytics for your online store. To get started, go to Online Store in the left-hand menu and open Settings. On the Settings page, click Analytics at the top to jump to the Analytics settings. Here, you'll find analytics integrations for Meta and Google. To get started with either one, click the Install App button. Once the app is installed, the settings will appear in this section, where you can connect your Meta or Google account to your online store. Step-by-step guidance for Meta and Google is available in our Help Center at help.finqu.com. Finqu also includes its own basic analytics. It is enabled by default, but you can turn it on or off using the Analytics checkbox in the settings. You can find Finqu Analytics by going to Analytics in the left-hand menu and selecting Site Performance. If you need to add other tracking tools, you can also use custom code snippets. The Snippets section can be found at the bottom of the settings page. There is also a separate section for checkout page snippets, which allows you to add tracking specifically for the checkout.